Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be talking about the psychological effect on trading crypto and how to avoid them. Just briefly go straight to the video. You see, in the crypto space, it's a lot of times where people have happiness, depression, disbelief, greed, fear, and all that happen with like your psychology, happen with your mind. Before your physical self do something, it's happened already within your mind. You've already done it in your head. Let's say, okay, for instance, for like example of what happened today and what is currently happening in the market today. A lot of people know this exchange, Bybit. This is one of the top one. Like, I don't use Bybit myself. I don't use Bybit just because I live in the United States. I've used VPN on it, and it's one of the best crypto exchanges out there. Like, what happened to it today? Like about 3 hours ago, the CEO came out and said about $1.5 billion was hacked today on Bybit, precisely on Ethereum. So what comes in your mind as a crypto trader and investor? I mean, a trader wouldn't have a lot of effect because that gives you the opportunity to sell short the market, right? Unless you're just the type of trader that sell the news and you don't actually work with CA good. I mean, like news like that actually affect the market no matter what, because it will cause people to like maybe overreact. It will cause people that don't know a lot to just like panic sell. So without even thinking, without looking or zooming out and looking at the upper picture. So all those stuff affect your mind. Like, I wouldn't say it doesn't affect me, but how do I go through this? I just know that there are times like this. The only thing to do is to look at the charts don't like, look at the numbers, look at history, and look at the project. You look at the use case of it. Like, okay, for instance, right, something on Ethereum, currently the general scenario of the market right now, of crypto market right now, we are in fear, right? Just because the market has been given a lot of depression, especially altcoins, not actually Bitcoin, but market has been given a lot of depression. People are down 60 to 80% on their altcoins, holding in the middle of the bull market. Maybe because of Solana or because of meme coins, because the transfer of money this time went all the way to Solana and the meme coins, and the president coming out with some dog shit, coming out with some coins that will just like pump and down, man. So basically, people haven't really like make a lot of money, or people are not satisfied with their investment. I myself am not satisfied with my investment, but I wouldn't say I'm too greedy. I would just say I'm grateful, you know what I'm saying? Because if you don't say you're grateful, what about those people that haven't made gains? Because I mean, some of the people that has been buying cryptocurrency during the bear market, they will not really be that affected. I mean, even though they're still affected, it's really hard to make money and lose it without securing that money, right? So yeah, I mean, you're better than somebody that don't try at all. It's better than dying trying than not even trying at all, because you try before you make money. So yeah, talking about trying, it's still on your psychology, because you feel like sometimes if you don't try, you miss out on opportunities. Sometimes you try, you feel FOMO, right? That thing that you didn't try on, you didn't invest at these prices, thinking that it's going to go lower. It started pumping, going higher. You think the price will come back, and it keep going higher. You feel FOMO. That's the psychology. You feel FOMO and get back into the market, and the market start dumping on you, right? That is your psychology. That is your mind telling you what to do. So how do you avoid these mistakes, right? Stick with your original plans. You stick with your original plans in the sense that, okay, if you say to yourself, I just want to, since the market cycle is about 4 years, and you know that it goes up every like 3 years, and it takes 1 year to dump, and you tell yourself that, okay, good, this period of dumping year, I'm going to be looking at buying opportunities. So that when after the year is gone and you start like, going up, it takes time, patience and all that, you have to exercise that, and you start looking for sale opportunity. Maybe you're trying to sell close to the top or the top, and I mean everybody would like to sell the top, but you see that if you stick to that plan, you will not really ever get affected emotionally or psychologically, because you feel like you have a decent buy, you're not really affected. You're still affected because you didn't secure those profits, right? But if you see something and you don't have a strategy on it, and you just start jumping in and buying from nowhere without having a time frame for it or a strategy or outlook for it will affect you a lot, especially when it dumps or news like this happen, because a lot of those crypto tends to go down tens of percentage and affect some people. Some people's portion even go down to zero, man. So like for instance, you'll see a coin and be like, damn, this coin look good, and it's down 80%, and you look at the chart look juicy, and you buy that coin again, it go down again another 80 to 90%, and you like, wow. What about some people that bought at the top? Because if you understand a theory of demand and supply, you see that all this stuff, there are always people demanding at those prices that you're trying to sell. But anyway, guys, let's talk about this incident that happened today. Bybit got hacked, and everywhere on Twitter, on X, people are like sending fraud in the market. People are like saying, oh, withdraw your funds from Bybit, sell. Oh man, this give like depression, anxiety. Even me, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit affected because I was actually on an Ethereum trade, and the trade was actually starting to breathe. A lot of people already hate Ethereum, and Ethereum has been struggling to breathe. The trade was actually trying to breathe, was getting into profit, and that happened, man. That happened even though the US market opened and it was showing some sign of rejection, but it was still trying to bring another form of structure. And the more a coin consolidate, and the more the run will be when it actually break out. So I was actually on a long trade on Ethereum, but I had to come out and break even, just because, not because I don't like the trade, or not because I don't think the trade is still going to play out. I just know it's going to be an overreaction. I'm just wishing to buy back lower if the prices go lower. But if the prices doesn't go lower, then it's still good. I still hold Ethereum on spot. So I just feel like people will be dumb, or people will be stupid to go selling a whole ton of their bucks right now, especially when you're already down this much. And somehow, even we are in the bear market and we are going to continue dumping, somehow we still need to reclaim some areas, maybe go up and fill some areas before continue dumping, because nothing just go down and start tanking like that, especially looking at Ethereum right now. It's on demand zone, man. How down do you want this thing to go down? Yeah, maybe you can retrace back to 300, 2-3 or even lower, but with that playing out, if this structure right here don't somehow go up to maybe like 3,000 or 2,000, 3,100 or 3,050, it's not really gonna do any big dumb. And that, I don't know what this will be called, because this wouldn't be a chart. It's consolidating. It's been consolidating, was finally breaking out. And have you asked yourself why Ethereum? There must be some people hating on Ethereum. I don't know, for some reason. Why did they drain just Ethereum? I don't know if people really hate Ethereum that much. I love Ethereum, not because I'm not married to Ethereum. I just love Ethereum because they have a purpose. They don't let everybody create, like Solana has let millions of people create dog shit on it, and has spoiled the whole market, especially people like us that believe in utility coins. And people create coins. I don't even know the last coin that was created or the last coin that was trending. Every new day you see new coins trading, and that even make it more difficult for you to make money in the market. And people just think you can make a lot of money on these coins. Now, okay, personally for me, I would like an opportunity to make money on some of those coins. For instance, like Schemas Dog, right? I make about 35x there, but I exited more than 80% of my bags into Ethereum, because the more it pumps, how it pumps, it will tell you again how it can dump really hard on you. So yeah, man. So all those happening, and you sitting here looking at this, and your mind is telling you to do this, and you don't do that, and price goes sideways, and you be like, I know I would have have done this. I knew I would have done this, but you know, moments like these, either you take it as a buy rumor and take opportunity while everybody else is scared, or you just sit on the sideline. You know, just sit on the sideline and watch it, because if you want to like do something right now, go selling your bags, and tomorrow you start regretting because everybody else thought it was gonna crash like really hard, and instead do the opposite, you're gonna be mad at yourself. You're gonna like, I've been in a situation like that, and you're gonna feel like you're the most stupid person on earth. Like, I even feel like this coin Ethereum has been on a lot of depression, and I feel like the hack was purposely. Before they are saying that some people from North Korea, I thought this hack was like, you know, from the Coinbase team or something, just to like put fear in the market, to see what people really think about Ethereum, to see if people are going to sell back the Ethereum even more. But I even feel like it's going to be like more bullish news, because if they want to buy back Ethereum to repay this debt, it's going to send Ethereum price to a new all-time high, or to somewhere really above, because to buy to pay back customers, really like they want to buy instantly, it's going to send the price really bad. I think that's not what they're doing. Like they say, their partners are helping them repay them with some bridge loans or some stuff like that. I don't know, man. I don't even care. I just want the bull market to be back. I just want prices to breathe. I just want, you know, the market to give people opportunity to make some money, because it's not really looking good, because the more things try to get good and you send the price back down. I mean, to be honest, I was thinking the price was really gonna dump a lot by this time, but it's not really showing strong weakness. To be honest, it's not showing strong weakness. I was thinking the price was gonna send down so bad, but people really get stronger every day, and every second people get stronger on this type of news, and I feel like that's good, because now people wouldn't like care so much. They would just let the market trade on its own without all this news affecting the market. But I feel like regardless of the case, these people are not gonna sell this Ethereum that they stole, because I don't think that amount, that huge amount, if somebody places huge orders like that, those amount will be set up. Like I think it will be frozen or something, because if that whole amount gets sold out, it will be a lot of pressure on Ethereum and the market itself, and it will drive the price down so crazy. I don't think so, man. I just think there will be something. Either they just stay it purposely just to like save Ethereum price, or they really hate Ethereum, or what, or they have a beef with Bybit. I don't know. It's something related to Ethereum that me and you don't know. But you know, just having this type of psychology, and you feel like, oh, you thought, like my child, like I said, man, my trade that I was in, it was actually breeding, finally getting into profit, and this thing happened. And you know, right now I'm like, I had to close this trade, but I'm really mad, because I've told myself I don't want to let trades, I don't want to do trade manually. I want to let trade play out for themselves, you know, and you know, I really show what my analysis can do. But you know, news like this come and it messed up your mind, and you're like, what are you gonna do? Like, you know, you have to just wait. I feel like you just have to just wait. But right now, guys, I'll tell you guys, if I had money on the side, or if I was to take a lot of action, I wouldn't be selling, I'll be buying. I'll be buying, because you might regret later on, because I feel like it's gonna be another shakeout in the market somehow, but these prices need to somehow retrace. Somehow, you know, Ethereum is sitting right on support right now. I'm not gonna lie. Even though hourly candle doesn't look good, look like it's about to destroy that support, but I mean, we're good so long as it doesn't take out 3,600. We're still good, I guess. If we start closing today below 3,600, and then you'll be scared to lose. 2,600. You'll be scared to lose 252, but I mean, we just have to wait and see, man. And let me know what you think about this video, because I feel like our psychology and our mindset matters a lot on whatever action we do. on whatever action we do in the market. Something was telling me to sell the price when the news came out. Ethereum was still about $3,800. Should have sold the market, but I didn't. I did not. I'm not a bear, especially at these prices. But you know, now I'm seeing the price has moved down this volume. I'm like, I wish I would have done that, but I didn't. You know, but right now, and I came out of my trade. Now I feel like the market is going to reverse somehow. Yeah, but you know, psychology is just to like let it break some time and just let stuff happen.